If you are a content creator or intend to be one, you need to know this to make your life easier. The sound you're hearing comes directly from this microphone. Keep watching to see the unboxing. This is M13 Wireless Microphone unboxing. Available for iPhone and Type-C. Inside the box there is a charging case with one receiver and two transmitters. It could be Type-C or iOS or both if you prefer. This microphone is really easy to use. Just plug and play. Inside the box you can also find the charging cable and the instruction manual. This is the part of the video I like most. It's time to test how is the feeling for wearing a microphone and without wearing a microphone. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now, so you already know the sound for our microphone. So in a moment, I will show you how is the difference between iPhone 14 Pro Max feeling, that is the one I'm using right now, and our microphone. Keep watching. As you can see, I just take it off. So this is the real sound for iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it's under your decision how to contact us, and if you are interested in this kind of videos, please follow us on Instagram and on YouTube. Every week we will have a new video. Bye bye.